Okay folks, welcome to Connor's room. Today, Connor is going to get a bunk bed. We're going to build that together. So let's get started by moving everything into the room first. I took everything out of the box because the box was really big and everything was heavy, so I took everything piece by piece out. I'll bring them in. You probably figured that was going to happen at some point in time. This bag is not a tool. Here's some nuts and bolts. The tool. A hardware kit. So the bed frame I got was a Zinus black metal bunk bed. It's supposed to look like something like that. Hello everybody, welcome to Newbie Views. Today, we're gonna do a bunk bed installation. Let's get started.
Right here.
Alright, here's
We got a winch. Now we got whatever those are. We got whatever those are. Okay, let's get this. Oh. Wait, what?
I got nuts and bolts as well.
Oh yeah, he has nuts and bolts.
I've got nuts and bolts.
Nuts
I'm
and
gonna take
bolts.
those open. It's got an Allen wrench for a tool.
I don't understand how to do this.
Just lift it up.
Oh God. Okay, I got it. Okay,
Got it? Perfect.
That was way easy.
Alright, let's get some of these bags off of here.
Okay. Okay, never mind. I wasn't supposed to leave.
Alright, number one says we gotta get the big pole and the two flat ones.
And you put the things in the things. Okay. Oh, I got this one. This one is being gotten. Oh God. Okay, the other one. I'll get this one. Slide. I got We need
that big one. I don't think it. Nope. Do the top one.
Oh, top one, okay. Are these ones the medium?
Yes. Which one?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
It's always clockwise. And do the other bottom half. Now tighten it up. Do the bottom one first. Not too tight. Yes. Not that one. Those are the long ones. The one beside it.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
We need
How many?
One of those.
Okay.
We need two of those.
Okay, two of those. Okay, that's it?
Yep.
Just two?
So on the inside, push it on the inside. See the hole up here?
Okay, a little lower. Wait.
Where's the other screwdriver? Use it by fingers if you can screw it in the hole. Looks tight. It does look tight.
Ah, I can't move it. I know that part. Okay.
Alright, tighten it up.
Now,
Tighten it up.
okay, tighten it. Okay, give it. Got my screwdriver. There we go. Screwing it in. pretty tight. But I need to tighten this side.
Yep.
What do you mean tighten?
Yep. Did you do both sides?
I didn't tighten this end.
Okay, do those.
Okay, let's do it.
Super tighten on both.
Super tight?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
This is the final place. This is where your mattress goes. The other way.
Oh.
Tighten those up.
Okay.
Tighten up. Oh, I can see you tighten that one up. Can you help me? Can you help me? No, walk this over.
Oh.
Grab that other leg. No, get the other end.
Oh.
I always use the other end. So walk it towards me. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Alright, come over with your nuts and bolts.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay.
Gotcha.
Or
Exactly to you like that. It goes in exactly like that. Yes. Well, that's loosening it. That's loosening it. Let's put the other side down. Okay, get over there. Go, go, go. Get the end. Go, go, go.
Why would you do the bottom first?
Because I'm standing right here, that's why.
Oh, good one.
Okay, start at the other end, come towards you. Start at the other end and come towards you.
Like this?
No, towards the back and come towards you.
So I start.
Because you have no place to walk after.
Oh.
Remember?
Good
Like,
point.
you don't have any place to come after. And folks, with that, here's Connor jumping onto his brand new bunk bed. More importantly, the brand new Minecraft with creepers.
Oh, sorry, wait, wrong side.
Boom!
10.
Do you give this a 5 out of 5 stars?
No, 10 out of 5.
10. Wow, that's pretty fire. All right,
And the sheets.
let's get down. And this is how you get down from a bunk bed, people. Wait a minute, that's right, there's 2 beds. This one's got Minecraft on it as well, with a few stuffies. Show the logo.
Minecraft.
None of this was sponsored.
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
We never get sponsored.
That's right. Puppy Dog does agree with us. That's another newbie review.
Minecraft.